story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Just arrived at the hotel. So Mel's 2 minutes out. Bed, view, shower, bathroom, usual bits. But look at that view. Wow, straight out onto that. Stunning. Wow. Paradise. That'll do. I think that'll do, isn't it? That's adequate enough. What do you reckon? Oh yeah, all ready for the beach. So I've got my beach wear on. And yeah, just gonna go and enjoy the beach now. Be alright, won't it? Get some coffee, sit by the beach. Alright. So that's where we're room 105 over there. Very nice. And that's beautiful. Little piece of paradise. Stunning. So beautiful. And there's the missus going off to have a little dip. Ever wanted to hear a pig farm? That's a pig farm. What a noise! Goat? Yeah.
So, hanggang saan yan? Hanggang doon? Ah, he wants to put the bikes here.
Who? Who wants to put the bikes?
The owner, he wanted to park the bikes here. He's going until to show you until.
Okay.
This is the way. Oh, there's no space here.
And where does it end this way?
There, where he is.
No, but this side.
So this side hanggang saan daw? Ay, sinagal. Hanggang saan nga dito? Alin dito? Ah, until there. Look. There. Until there, where he is.
Yeah.
Only got straight.
Yeah. What, the other side of this?
No.
No. Where? Sounds like a horror film, doesn't it? Look at these boys. Alright, so we're riding along and we found this place. Go-karts, paintball, and up there are real guns. There's a real gun range up there. That's where we're going to go in a minute, but we're just having a pit stop here to quench our thirst. But this is Extreme Sports Philippines. Yeah, pretty cool. Like a little playground. So they got mud carts, paintball, archery, tag, bungee, air gun, crossbow, archery, and up there they got the real guns. My kind of place. Yeah. Yeah. So we are at Specialized Defense and Sporting Arms Inc. shooting range. Have a look. Hello.
Then shotgun
Okay.
2000.
So we got this one, the 9mm. Yeah.
3 guns sir,
Yeah, 3 guns.
9mm, 5.56 and then shotgun.
Yes, why not?
Only economy.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
good.
sir.
Sounds
Your
good.
name sir?
Oh, man. Okay. Alright, so finally, getting to shoot some guns. In, where are we? The Philippines. That's where we are. So that's the range. We got 3 guns coming in. We've got a shotgun. We got a 9mm semi-automatic rifle and a sort of looks like a Glock, but it's not. Yep.
Ready.
Yeah. What are we shooting?
Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Huh?
Number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
7,
12,
8,
13.
9, 10. Let's go for 7.
Nice. No.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Where are they? Thanks.
There we go.
Is that rain? Oh, great.
This gun sir?
Yep, that one.
Gun.
The big boy. Okay. This one? Yeah. Okay. Alright, what are we shooting? The bottles. Hanging.
Hanging, okay, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's try one.
Jesus Christ.
Which
That was a gentleman.
one?
I'm lucky.
You play 4 guns.
Yeah. Good job I didn't put a deposit down. Okay. Alright, let's go. Whew. Here we go, shotgun time.
Cannot, they cannot boom. The problem is bullet.
The bullets,
We can change the bullet. The problem.
Okay, ready? Okay. Yeah, it's got a kick. Is that it?
No.
Fin?
All done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Picture.
Huh?
Picture.
Picture, yeah. Let's take a picture. Come on. Sunglasses.
Where?
Ah, well, that was fun. back to the hotel now.
Sabang.
Sabang daw kuya.
Okay?
Enjoy po.
Bye! Oh, I love this. This is nice.
Oh yeah, it's lovely.
Tuk Tuk. Eating point.
This is for cocaine.
Sige, pamaya.
So when you're back here and you fancy a little tube, yeah, you drop this down, then you chop up a little line, have a sniff. But
Is that what you were saying?
that's what it's for. And then you go and get some putas. Putanas.
You gotta wait for us.
So you go to Sabang to get some Colombian and some putanas.
Kuya, may nagbibenta pa rito ng sigaro. Oh, look at that. How many lights?
Yeah. Wow, this is like the Las Vegas of Mindoro. Come on. Yeah, look at that pink coffee. What we hit?
Pero doon yun, di ba?
Dito. Dito lang po ang parkingan.
It's just showing where we're gonna meet him.
Okay.
Oh, mukhang may iiwan ah. Umiyak ka na mabayaran.
So this is Sabang.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Chaos.
Let's start with that.
What's here? Where's the casinos?
Hello.
Hello.
So yeah, we're getting in here.
What's that?
That's a barbecue with all
Yeah, it's one of the
intestine and everything.
the bus. No lights on the front. Fucking look at that Mad Max hell bus.
Be careful where you're going. Yeah. The Las Vegas.
The Las Vegas of the Philippines.
I'll do this.
Yeah, I know. Looking at the young bird going on there. I'll get some of that. I've got some pesos. Posterity. We've got a couple of kids here, been watching some UFC. Really going for it. And fighting like little cats and dogs. Well, that is Sabang at night. What day is it? I don't even know what day it is anymore.
Tuesday.
It's a Tuesday. Yeah, this is Sabang at night.
Sabang at night.